You can erase and reformat an SD card right from your iPhone. Choose the file format based on the devices you plan to use with the card. Use a USB-C SD card reader like UGREEN. Connect the card reader to your iPhone. Then access your SD card through the Files app. Open the Files app. Under the Browse tab, you'll see your connected SD card listed by its name. Mine shows up as Untitled. Tap it to access the card on your iPhone. Before you erase it, make sure you've backed up everything on the SD card to your iPhone, Mac, Windows PC, or another storage device. Press and hold the SD card name, then tap Erase. You'll see several format options. Choose a PFS if you only use the card with Apple devices. If you also plan to use it with Windows PCs, cameras, or other devices, choose EXFAT or MS-DOS. FAT. Enter a new name for your SD card if you'd like. Finally, tap Erase in the top right corner to format the card. That's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share,